Hi everyone. Today we have a P3D Performance All-Wheel Drive Model 3. Here's the front motor, which is an induction machine rather than a PMSRM. The only thing that looks the same on this motor, it does look very similar, but it has the same oil pump and the same inverter, at least from external appearances. Here's the suspension showing the half shaft. You can see an opening in the strut there. Got the cooling lines. And here's the power, comes out of the tunnel, goes in. Here's the tunnel. The cooling routing's a little different. It looks like it feeds the rear motor and then the front motor. See the subframe here, it's the same. This mount's the same. This mount also is the same. All these suspension components look the same. It does have a different stabilizer in front and rear. The upper arm looks the same. The springs are the same, at least on this model, compared to my rear-wheel drive. The battery pack is the same with the addition of a power connection in the back of the pack for the front motor. Here we go to the rear of the car, down the tunnel. Here's the rear motor. Here's where the wiring comes out. It's under this metal can. There's a connector behind here. So this cooling, yes, does come to this motor first, does the inverter, then cools the oil, then goes to the front, cools the inverter, and then it's oil. Oh, and it cools the PCS before it cools either of the motors. We've already looked at all this on the rear-wheel drive. It looks identical except for that stabilizer, which I already mentioned. Same springs on this model. This model does not have the upgraded calipers, so it's possible that something changes when you have that model. Same oil pump and filter. Here's a good view of the motor. It's about 2.5 inches narrower than the rear motor. And that concludes our brief look at the P3D. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos, and please like this video if you liked it. Have a good day.